Hello and welcome of you to English Proficiency. This is Mohammed. I will be your teacher of English during this course. Please, before we get started, I kindly invite you to subscribe to my channel and to activate the bell below so that you can see all my upcoming videos. This time, I came up with a complete course. It is for beginners who speak a little to no English at all. And please go no far, we are going to start our course and right now. Hello and welcome of you again. As I mentioned earlier, in this course, we will start from the beginner levels. I mean from zero English, and we are going to advance to intermediate levels. In this course, we will study, learn, and practice grammar, vocabulary, communication skills, as well as pronunciation. This course aims to help you learn and practice English at your own comfort zone. In fact, this course has many advantages. First of all, it is well organized and from scratch. Another advantage is that you will have a chance to practice, answer questions, as well as to repeat after me. This will help you improve your English communication skills as well as your pronunciation. At the end of each lesson, you will have exercises to make sure your English skills are improving. Well, I hope to see you next time with our first class. Up to then, please enjoy your time, be good and do well. And please do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell. And please do not forget to bring a notebook and the pen. We are going to have a lot to note down. Ciao!